Okay, so this is the dog park.
Yeah, and I think there's two over there.
Another two dog parks. And there's one lonely dog over there. That one that passed us this morning. Red Mountain Park. This is our second time doing this, but I guess we're doing different trail this time, right?
I don't know. I'm just a logical
And it's cold out, like in the 30s.
How are y'all? Good. Good. About to go take a fat nap. Y'all want to look at the map?
Yeah, you getting our routes so we don't get
Okay.
lost here.
So, where am I? There's a defibrillator. That's good to know. Where's the you are here? Oh, I didn't have a defibrillator before.
What's that red star? That looks like where we are.
No, that's where no, we're probably near
You are here.
66.
We're
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, but isn't that the
It
old
says
entrance?
you are here. No,
I
we
know.
but
I bet
We
they haven't changed this.
merged into the regular entrance.
yeah, because here's the dog park. What we did was probably this.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, so
And
this
now-
is still the same.
See, I think 3 is right here.
This is 2. See, it says 2 right there.
Oh, yeah.
And it's
okay.
2 leading
Okay,
to 3.
To 3. Okay.
That's
so yeah.
We're not doing that.
No, we did that.
I think that's what we did
That's too
before.
easy.
Yeah.
I think we go that away.
Okay.
If we go up, then you're gonna see.
That's where we see.
We've ridden.
I've been up there.
Jeffrey and I've ridden bikes. All that.
You sound like a bee when you're
Yeah.
riding a bike.
Yeah. We're
Go
fast.
faster.
What I really wish, this is kind of a far hike, but have y'all ever walked out to that?
No.
That's cool because you overlook the city of Birmingham.
Oh.
But so we're here.
So we could
The number 4
is the Ishkuda.
Eureka Mines Trail is number 1.
So how do we
Is
get
this?
to there?
That's 15.
Ishkuda number 15 mine, which is a different trail.
To get to there, you either go that
3 and 14.
and then you could come back that.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm turning off and leaving it with you. Don't get us lost. That's some kind of optical glasses, isn't it? What do you think that's supposed to be?
Art.
Oh, just art? Well, I know nobody's big enough to wear that kind of glasses, but I mean,
Something to do with
Yeah,
that.
there was used to be a description
Yeah, Amy Solro was involved in that. I don't know.
of what, here it is.
looks like checking for color blindness or something almost.
I'd be happy to have that kind of money for 1 week of sitting around and just let the dog out a few times and feeding and but
Well, that's what we did. Lauren would come and stay at our house for a month.
but you know her.
Well, we didn't at first, but I knew people who knew her. And she's really good. And she hasn't. And she brings a dog.
You know, people that take in, like, I'm glad your friend did that. But then, you know, if you want to, like Alyssa's doing the hospital now, she's tried to get, you know, as hard. Beer time. I think it's around for now.
Yeah, these are good for the winter.
they have all these ruins up here, but they don't. You'd think they'd have more signs about what was going on here. A lot of this stuff up here.
A friend was training to do a 15-mile.
I was told to come see if I could see what this was. And it just looks like concrete, nothing. Lions and tigers and bears, oh my. Yeah, it would be hard to identify that stuff these days. There's a whole neighborhood down there, I guess, where people live.
This is where I kept running into the guy that was running. I couldn't. I had to go home.
Oh,
There's
cool.
the city. This is a great picture.
It is, good view.
I like that view better.
Grace's Gap something here.
This is a great.
I'm gonna tell you, it's windy and cold up here, ain't it?
He was halfway across that and realized he was up high and he was laid out flat. And he was too big to step over.
Who did that?
Our dog.
Oh.
He was a big dog.
Is this thing safe? Man, check this out. Indiana Jones down through there. Well, I'm not doing it because I lay down out in the middle like your dog. Okay, they're calling it Mesh Collective Art. What that has to do with the coal and iron. Check out this structure. I'll probably get a better shot over here. Boy, that's something. Don't believe it, out in this cold. We got some blooming stuff in this cold wind.